Okay, we're going to be doing lab number 5, which is setting up a website on a web server. The first thing you want to do is go down to your Start menu, and if you haven't installed the role for Internet Information Services Manager, it's under the web server role. So you want to install that role, and you'll get this. What you want to do is go to Administrative Tools and to Internet Information Services Manager, and open that up. From here, you'll see the server listed. This particular server is 2020 Server 01. You want to expand that, and you'll see Sites. And from there, you'll right-click on the website on there, or you'll expand it. And from there, you'll want to right-click on Sites and add a website. We're going to name this site Random2. The physical path for it, I'm going to set to be under the C drive, and I'll do it on the iNet pub. From there, you want it to be HTTP style with an address. You want to do an IP address of 10.1.1. We'll do 102 since it's my second website, on a port of 110. And the host name is going to be random2.contoso.com, and that's going to be the website or the host. That way, when you enter that or the IP address via the HTTP, it'll allow it to come up. You want to keep this Start Website Immediately checked. That way, as soon as you click OK, it'll start. From there, okay, it's got Random2 shown here. Your sites will show in this section, and it will start in just a minute once it connects completely to the server. Okay, and from here we want to set some bindings. I've already set the bindings for this particular site. We want to go from here. You want to right click. Actually, you want to add a virtual directory. You want it to actually show something when you open up the website. It's got to show something. So you want to give it a path, and the alias for this one, I'm going to leave blank for just a minute. The physical path on this one I'm going to put is under administrator, and I'll just do we'll just do links and click OK, and we'll call the alias on this one links, and you're going to click OK, and that gives it something to obviously connect to. On this one is this new folder. I attached it to that folder. It has some documents inside. Alrighty, and from this you want to right click on it, and you want to edit the bindings. And as you can see, it's got a port. Your port is 110, IP address is this. It's random. Random2, you want to add site bindings. You want to assign 101, it's port 100, and the host name on that one is randomsite.contoso.com, and click OK. Oh, it's already assigned to another site. That's fine. As it's showing right here, it's got both of them. They are bound together, and their IP addresses, the ports they're attached to, and so on and so forth. So you want to go ahead and click Close, and that binds these two sites together. You can now see the X has disappeared on that. And from there, you would want to say, okay, well, I've got a website, I've got information on it. I can now, let's try it out, see if it works. So if you go over here and you hit Start, and this is my second server, server number 2. If you go to Internet Explorer and you go up here to the top, you can type in the IP address, HTTP, because that's what we set it as, // The first one is the 10.1.1.101, and you hit enter, and bada bing, bada boom, IIS7. That's how it shows that it's bound together and it's up and active.